Good morning, everyone. Now we are here for the spoken class. There are many IT developers who struggle a lot in speaking English. तो मैं लेकर आई हूँ एक ट्रेनर्स गाइड जिसमें कि हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे स्पोकन इंग्लिश. Okay. Now this will be a module of 42 days. Okay, 42 days. Week 1 we will do the foundation, breaking hesitation. Generally what happens, people hesitate to give their own self introduction and everything. So we'll work on that. Then we will take up every day one topic in which we are going to speak. This will encourage slow and clear speech. We are going to focus on simple present tense. Like you have to make few sentences. I will give you the circumstances. मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन दूंगी, उसमें आपको few sentences बनाने हैं. Like I work in this XYZ company. I write codes, whatever things you feel like. Okay, you have to write, you have to speak. Now, I don't want any kind of one word answers. I want in full answers in full sentences. Okay, so like this, I have a module, completely structured course for this. Now, first week will be of foundation course, breaking hesitation. We are going to focus on simple sentences, self introduction, workplace vocabulary, day 1. Now, with as today is day 1, we are going to do a practice, a simple practice of self introduction, like name, your role in the company, where do you work, things like that. Okay, just make 10 sentences about yourself, your self introduction, the place you work. You can use basic vocabularies like IT basics, computer, software, hardware, coding, bug. These are the things. Okay. Now, I before starting with this, I will like to give you 5 words that you have to learn, because in business English we use few words: start, initiate, plan. We don't say start. We are going to initiate a plan, and that plan is to coordinate, help, facilitate, explain, articulate, talk, communicate. We don't say I'm going to talk to you. We say let's communicate about this topic. Communicate. Show, demonstrate, join, associate, think, contemplate, check, validate. Let's validate these points before we go on for the meeting. Well, now I have an interesting self introduction, two-liner thing. Now, basically क्या होता है, आपको hesitation होता है in giving your self introduction. So point number 1 is we are going to keep simple sentences, simple workplace talk, very simple in present tense. We are going to use only one tense, that is present tense. In the back of the mind, we will set one thing only. Like I will say, hello, can you introduce yourself? The student will say, good morning, my name is Rahul. I work as a software developer at XYZ company. I have been working here for 2 years. The trainer will say, now I will say again, what do you usually do at work? Now you can say, I write codes, fix bugs, and test applications. Now, on the daily basis, I am going to evaluate also. We are going to have a daily and a weekly evaluation table for the same. As per the date, I will mention the module focus, pitch, the kind of pitch you are going to use, discovery, objection handling, negotiation, competitor handling, and closing. How you are going to close it. Okay. So I'm going to score you on needs improvement 1, basic, some clarity, competent, strong, or excellent. On the scale of 5, I'm going to judge it. Now, trainer feedback session, strength observed, areas to improve, and action plan. These are the few points on which we are going to work. Now, let's start with this lesson.